All right, there are all kinds of fancy things that you can do to animate a tail, but we're just going to do the basic concept right now. First, we're going to go to the rigging tab and we're going to create a few joints. If you hold shift and click, it'll create a straight line and you're not going to have to worry about being all over the place. Now we're going to select all of our joints, and this is where Maya gets a little weird. You're going to notice we didn't actually select all of our joints. If you open everything up in the hierarchy here, you're actually going to need to select each joint individually. And once you do that, that rotation is going to apply to each joint, and right out of the box, you're going to get a motion that works well for tails. Now, dropping down in the hierarchy and selecting each individual bone can be a bit of a pain, so what you can do is just select the root bone, and you can type select-high. That's a Mel script command for selecting the hierarchy, or you can just go to the select dropdown and choose hierarchy. Either one of those will select every bone in the list, and then you get the same thing. There's way more complicated and crazy stuff out there using physics and things like that, and they're awesome. I suggest you look into them, but this will just get you what you need. Okay, let's apply this somewhere real quick. I've got this little guy who's got a silly walk animation. The tail is already rigged and weighted to the mesh, so we're just gonna do exactly what we talked about. Select every bone in the hierarchy for the tail, and we're just gonna do a quick little animation. That's it. Hope it was helpful. That's the idea of these things. I just want to get ideas out there quickly, avoiding all the fluff. If you want to see more of this stuff, just do the usual like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me know that you want to see more of it. All right, everybody. Till next time. See ya.